Hello everybody, and welcome to LMT Machinery. If you have any questions on anything we have on our website, please give us a call at 319-239-7702. Our email address is info@lmtmachinery.com. Our website address is lmtmachinery.com. Today, taking a look at a Dodds drawer clamp. 110 volt power along with air, model C48M. Serial number C04076-283. Goes up to 48 inches. Pretty simple machine. Take a quick walk around here. This is just extra air. It's not part of the machine, just a reservoir that previous customer had on there. New handles, it's all been replaced. Pretty simple. Your fast movement here, open, close. Close. When you go to clamp a drawer, on this exact machine, you throw it in, foot pedal down here. If I let go, my foot pedal's still down. If I let go, it retracts. That's it. Thank you for visiting us here at LMT Machinery. I hope you have a wonderful day.